Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I'm sure you guys all just heard that the new 2023 Honda Accord just got released. They have the official pictures and a lot of the specs on the actual car. I just wanted to share that with you guys if you haven't heard already. I'm sure most of you already have, but I want to share a few of the highlights of the new 2023 Honda Accord and see what you guys think. I know me personally, I don't like the direction they went. You know, I love the 10th gen a lot. I still do. I think it's a great fastback design. The 2.0 motor in it with a 10-speed is awesome. That's what they have here in the TLX. Has the 2.0 and 10-speed. I love it. I think it pairs really well together. So here's a few pictures, if you haven't seen them already, of the new 2023 Honda Accord. So here it is. Here's the official pictures. As you can see, it's drastically different on the outside. You can see it doesn't look as aggressive. Looks more mainstream. To me, it looks pretty blah. Inside here, you do get a full 10-inch digital speedometer, but a lot of the new cars are doing that, so that's nothing special. And then you can see the console elevated. But the main thing about this car that I'm seeing a lot of people are hating is you see it has a actual shifter, right? Well, no more 2.0 for the new Honda Accord. They did away with the 2.0 turbo that the previous gen had, which is, like I said, I have in my Acura. I think it's a great motor. It's a durable motor, K-Series. Makes great power. I enjoy it. I do. So I think that's definitely a step back. I mean, you can tell they're doing it all for gas mileage here. So here's some of the highlights on this new car. So for the 2023, they're all going to be the 1.5 liter turbocharged for the LX and EX trims. And those are going to put 192 horsepower and 192 foot-pounds of torque. So real similar to the previous gen 1.5s. But then there's also going to be the hybrid-powered Sport model, EXL, and Sport with leather and a Touring. That's going to put 204 horsepower and 247 foot-pounds of torque. So still, even with that, 204 horsepower, it's not even much over the 1.5. But it's a hybrid, so it's going to get better miles per gallon. That's the push here. You can tell the direction they're going with. So, like everything, they always make changes, but it has to do with the EPA. You know, I'm sure it's lower emissions, better miles per gallon, but less power. So I know that was a big bummer because, like I said, the previous generation Accord, the 2.0 is a perfect setup for that car. Has plenty of power. I enjoyed it. I really did. And I still miss it. So some more things that are changing here other than the outside appearance. It comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and all that stuff with the LX and EX. It'll have the Honda's first integration of Google built in, and that's only on the Touring trim. So if you like that, the Touring trim will have that option on it. And then as you can see from the layout, it takes a lot of stuff from the current generation Civic, like the honeycomb for the vents, a more minimalistic look. So I think the interior looks pretty nice. I do. I think it looks upscale. I'm just not a fan of the outside. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. Would it make you trade your car in for one of these? You know the price is going to be a little bit higher like they always are, but I want to see what you guys are going for. With the gas prices right now, is that appealing to you to get something that gets more than likely better miles per gallon, but you're going to suffer a little bit of horsepower for it? Or are you sticking with your current gen? Like I said, me personally, the previous generation's awesome. It was hard for me to even get rid of mine. I think it does a lot of things well. Where this thing, it doesn't look that aggressive on the outside, where I feel like the previous one had a nice look to it. More the fastback design, where this looks very standard as far as the sedan goes. Like it'll blend in a lot. So again, I just want to share some key points on that. If you haven't already seen it, it just got released today. I just want to hear you guys' input. You know, what do you like about it? over the current generation Accord if you do have it. And like I said, would you trade it in for that? You know, I like getting your guys' input. I do. Like personally, I just think for many years now, Honda's always seemed to outdid themselves from the previous generations. But this one, I'm not sure of. Like, it just doesn't have that appeal. I'm looking forward to seeing it in person when it comes out. Probably do a video live in person when they actually get to the dealerships. But for now, I just wanted to share a quick little tips with you guys and mainly get your guys' feedback on that. So definitely leave it a comment in the description. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, your initial impressions. I'd like to hear it. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.